It is July 7th, 2022. And the first... They don't know you. They can't see nothing yet. I'm on the screen.
Oh, I was gonna come in like, yo, what's up?
So, on the first episode of this series, one of you guys made a request. Valentine Abade. We'd love to see Simon Servida as a feature. First of all, I don't know why you're using we, because you're only one person, but it seemed like other people agreed with you, so there is a we involved in this. So that being said, I reached out to my friend Simon Servida. He's a very busy man. He has a lot of things going on. And I said, bro, I got the perfect song for us. And now, big reveal. Simon Servida is here with me, and I'm getting ready to react and listen. I'm a real YouTuber, guys. I'm getting ready to react in real time to this feature that he sent me that I know he killed for the song No Sponsored Post.
Wait till I get my money straight. I'ma need you to hop up on my face.
Wait, hold up. Haven't you forgot which of us is the owner? I don't need you here breathing over my shoulder. Little brother, not allowed to hold the controller. This is my whip, boy, I don't need a chauffeur. Trying to hit you right now, you just cutting corners. I'm the one that's grinding, you just mediocre. I'm the one that's shining, I don't need exposure. You can give the warm regards and salutations. You can keep the end of false affiliations. I'ma keep my guard up cause you talking brazen, or I can just walk up off this conversation.
Talk your shit, Simon.
Hey, man. Oh, my
Wait,
God.
like now that I'm listening to it, do you think we're not gonna get like any more deals?
I don't think you ever have to worry about that. Maybe me. What did you kind of take from that song?
I was listening to your verse and you know what you're talking about, and I liked it because it was such a perspective from like a YouTuber and working, you know, with other companies, and there's so much business stuff. I never get to talk about that stuff ever, like in a song, so it just felt like such a cool opportunity to just kind of ride that wave that you were on and just kind of add some of my own stuff to it.
Much
All right,
love, bro. Appreciate you. And
I'm gonna send you these vocals right now, actually. I got a bit of time.
Man, Simon Servida killed that feature, but even as excited as I was about it, I knew I had a lot of work ahead of me before we started mixing and mastering the project. Part of that work was making sure that I organized all of my sessions and added my last-minute re-recordings and sounds to the beats and the songs. Here's some of the live streams. How many songs do you have in total, and how many on the album? I probably have about 56 songs, 10 that I picked, and I'm just so freaking proud of those because every one of them sound like a journey in one song. Chance the Rapper had a tweet where he said he dedicates the same energy that people talk about dedicating to an album, but he dedicates it to a song. And I asked myself, I said, that's interesting. I wonder what that would look like. And when I did that, it changed everything. Truth be told, making an album on your own can be a quite overwhelming task. My best advice to you, treat every song like it is the album and have as much fun as possible.
Oh, yeah. I woke up and I feel like I should flex on this. Damn. I feel I'm sitting, I'm blessing this. I don't got time for your passive aggressiveness. Yeah. I'm the busy owl, pissing out excellent.
Oh my God. This is why I love Splice.
I went to sleep and I did it so peacefully. I did it for me when I lifted my frequencies. You know they complain when you crank up the volume. You know they gon' hate it when you know your value. You sweating from riding my way like a surfer. You coming with Betty, I'm ready to curve you. Been working so hard, let me open up these curtains. Now give me confetti and shots of the bird.
This might be the last day. It's bittersweet. It's a bittersweet thing. Anybody who's ever worked on a project, it's a weird feeling in between bittersweet and relief. Bittersweet because you're like, damn, having something to look forward to, having something to work on, having something that's incomplete. You get up every morning and you're like, yeah, man, I can't wait to start working on this. It's an amazing feeling. But at the same time, it is relief because taking on the workload the last month has been crazy taxing.
Till the sun goes down. Till the sun goes down.
at the end. We are at the end. We are so close. We are so damn close.
When I maneuver my way at first through this industry, I thought I was a really good student. You told me there's no such thing as a dumb question. Then I asked and you looked at me stupid. So I had to take my own path, no gatekeeper, I passed through it. They looked at my dream and they shot it down. But luckily you was like Rasputin. Yeah, stupid, yeah, boy. Back in my bag, better back off me. Try to block my calls and box my reach, but God ain't done, can't blackball me. I was not given the fear, yeah. I was delivered to win, yeah. And I feel like I'm not done, no. And I feel like I'm the one, yeah. Get respect in the game, cause I really did it and never wrote checks for it.
We did this from home. We did this from home. Do you hear me? They told me you couldn't do this kind of music from home. We did this from home. Tell me what I can't do. Don't tell me what he can't do. Excuse me. I just need to keep reminding. I just need to keep saying that. Maybe for myself, I need to keep saying that out loud. We did this from home.
Find a way. Find a way.
This is gonna be wild because now I can add even more stuff. I'm out your way. Yeah, so that it leads up into the okay.
So you heard this song, Find a Way, and you said to me that you think the hook, if I wanted to do a bigger sound, which is a lot of the songs on this project, you think that I should go for a bigger hook?
For sure. I think that's what's gonna really make the record stand out, just for the fact that like everything just feels so minimal within the verses.
Right.
So the moment the hook comes in, it's just gonna slap people in the face like, oh shit.
Yeah. This session left me even more grateful for my friends Nabi and Oh Gosh Leotis and Jake Asai, because they helped me put together what I think is my best album to date.
Oh, you got this dummy organized. I love it.
You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. And I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way, but you seem so far away.
Now we're going back over all the stuff that he already finished and see if we're done with this project. If we're done, then my day's just beginning. But appreciate my guy for spending the night. What a trooper. Man, spent the night out here. What? I sleeps in the studio. You feel me? Like, that's my dedication.
This has definitely been a fun process. This is my first time hearing it. You definitely came a long way from the first DIY to this DIY.
Yeah.
This is incredible. You recorded it yourself. You produced everything.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, this is a dope project so far.
I think I'm just as excited as my friend is coming over. Like, we're mixing the project and all of that, but my friend, I miss my friend, period. Now begins the upload process. It feels like this day has been one situation after another just to get this album uploaded. It's been so much going on today, but it looks like we're finally there. One more song. If it wasn't my son connecting to the Bluetooth and taking over the TV, it was issues with the exports and issues with importing them into DistroKid. It was so much, but I think we finally got it. Is this victory? That'll be victory. We need that. Come on. I gotta actually edit this video that you're watching. Oh, all right. And it's done. Can't do anything about it now.
It's gonna have to be alright, be alright, be alright, be alright. Long as I make it through the night, make it through